Welcome to the Creator Series. This series is brought to you by SocialBook and was made with small content creators in mind. These videos will cover a range of different topics, and I'll share my tips and advice on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized, and also free tools and resources that you can use to make the most out of your content. Hi everyone, it's Shirley. Welcome to the 4th episode of the Creator Series. In my previous video, I covered how to improve SEO, which is search engine optimization, and I shared a free keyword research tool to help you optimize your tags so your videos can rank higher in YouTube's algorithm, because we all know how unforgiving the YouTube algorithm can be. If you have not watched that video yet, I will link it up in the cards above and in the description box down below if you're interested. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get brand collaborations and tips to avoid getting scammed. So when you're a new creator and you're just starting your YouTube channel, it's hard to find brands to collaborate with, even unpaid ones, because you don't really have like a portfolio yet. Brands don't really know who you are yet, and your style, your aesthetic, or your message and your story. So my advice in the beginning would just be to focus on your content, focus on building up your channel, keep uploading consistently so you can show to brands what kind of person you are, what interests you, and what you can bring to brands. I'm talking about this like it's a job. For some people, it is a full-time job. So yeah, in the beginning, don't even worry about brand collaborations because they will slowly come in time. For me, I've been fortunate enough to have brands reach out to me. I didn't start reaching out to brands until recently, but I should have done it more often because it really doesn't hurt. So I look back through my videos and I started my channel in December 2019 and I got my first PR package in February 2019. So it was about 2 months after I started my channel, which is really surprising for me, but I think it's because I consistently posted beauty reviews for those 2 months, at least once a week, sometimes even twice a week. So I think that's how I got noticed. It wasn't out of nowhere. I didn't start getting paid collaborations or sponsorships until a year into making videos. So if you dive into making videos thinking that you'll make money right away, you'll probably be disappointed because, like a lot of freelance jobs, it's usually free work in the beginning and you won't start to see profit until way later. However, if you are a small content creator and you're interested in connecting with other brands to work with, SocialBook does have a brand collaboration form that you fill out with your desired price range. You can add all of your social media handles and attach some examples of your work, whether they're YouTube videos or Instagram posts. This is really helpful because not only does SocialBook provide tools and resources for content creators, but also for business owners and brands that are looking for influencers to collaborate with. So through the SocialBook network, brands could potentially find you and want to work with you. When a brand does reach out to you, you will get an email notification as well as a notification on the SocialBook website. Let me show you how the brand collaboration form looks like. You're probably familiar with this page by now, but if you haven't tried out SocialBook yet, you can get to this page by typing socialbook.io in the web browser. So from this screen, what you'll want to do is click on brand collaboration, and here is the form that you will fill out. So the first section is filling out how much you charge per collaboration. So you will fill out a range for how much you charge for a full video, with a minimum price and a maximum price, as well as a minimum and maximum price for a video mention. A full video will be a dedicated video to the brand or product, and these will be more focused and usually have more guidelines that you need to follow. And it makes sense why creators charge a lot more for a full video. Whereas a video mention, also known as an integration, will be like a short portion of your video and you have more creative freedom, like you don't have to stick to just one topic. So if you're still unsure of how much to charge brands, please stay tuned for my next video where I show you SocialBook's feature of generating your report and giving you an estimated cost per video, per 1,000 views, etc. So the second part is to add the best email to reach out to you for business opportunities. This should already be in your profile, whether that's in your YouTube channel profile or your video descriptions or connected to your Instagram. You will want this to be visible so that if brands are interested in working with you, they can easily contact you. The next section is your PayPal address that you would like to get paid with. So this is how brands will pay you. It's safe and secure. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's free to sign up. SocialBook hopes to support Venmo in the near future. Fourth section is to share your mailing address for receiving free products and samples. This can be your PO box address as well. So the next section is samples of your work and how much you charge for that kind of video. So this is to give brands an idea of who you are, your style, what kind of videos you make, and to see if you fit with their message and their budget. So the next section is to choose how you want to be paid. You can select all of these or just a few. So make your selections depending on whether you want to be paid a flat fee, be paid per 1,000 views, paid per sale, given free product, so no extra pay, or if you're flexible and you can do all of the above depending on the work. The next section is which product category you're interested in promoting. So there's beauty, fashion, electronics, fitness, health, sports and outdoors, home, kids, travel, game, and other. This helps narrow down what kind of videos you make so that you don't get contacted by brands that don't really align with the content you make. The next section is whether you're open to attending offline events, or if you're not ready yet. So the next section is whether you would like to license your content to other networks and get paid. You'll be paid by the number of content the system chooses from. So you can choose yes or no depending on whether this is something you're interested in. So the next section is whether you would like to distribute your content to other networks without pay. So this could help you to manage your account, grow your follower base on a brand new social network, and potentially gain a bigger influence. The next section is whether you're looking for an MCN or agent. So MCNs are multi-channel networks, which are third-party service providers that affiliate with multiple YouTube channels to offer services that may include audience development, content programming, creator collaborations, digital rights management, monetization, and or sales. And the last section is to add your other social media platforms. So you can add your TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, or Facebook accounts. So brands will see your profile, and if they're interested in working with you, they will email you directly. You can also see your offers in My Offers. You can see all of the collaborations you applied for, the ones that are approved, in production, and review the collaborations that are done or rejected. I also want to show you how to access your message center. So on YouTube, click on the SocialBook icon and then click SocialBook inbox. And here it will show you all the brand email notifications you received. Brands using SocialBook can send you emails directly, and SocialBook will also notify you here if any brand has emailed you directly. Please pay attention to emails that say powered by SocialBook at the end after the email signature. Just a side note, but SocialBook also has an affiliate program that I will cover in a future video, so be on the lookout for that. So let's talk about tips to avoid getting scammed, because there are some sketchy brands out there, startup brands that will take advantage of small content creators because we don't know any better. So I'm here to tell you things I've picked up. So I'm going to talk about Instagram for a little bit. Even though most of my collaborations are on YouTube, I do get a lot of DMs for collaborations through Instagram. And here are things to keep in mind. If a brand comments on your Instagram photo, hey, we love this pic, we'd love to collaborate with you, please DM whatever handle name, chances are they sent that same comment out to hundreds, maybe thousands of other creators. It's not personal at all. It's not genuine because it's considered like spam. And if a brand really wanted to collaborate with you, they would find your contact information. Why don't they just DM you first instead of leaving a comment? And they could email you. I find this so strange, but sometimes a second party DMs me to contact the brand instead of the brand directly contacting me. It's like, hey, I work with this brand and we really like your profile. Please DM this brand name if you're interested. Usually when you reach out to the brand, they'll ask you to join their brand ambassador program where you get like a 40% off discount. You just have to pay for shipping. And that may sound good, like, oh, you get all these products and you just pay like $10 for shipping. But you have to keep in mind that you're still paying them out of your pocket to promote their products essentially for free. It's not costing them anything extra. They're just shipping it out to you and you're making content for them. I've DM'd a lot of these brands and they always say the same thing. We're still new, we're still a startup, so we don't have the budget to pay content creators. And you have to keep in mind that a lot of brands put money into advertising and marketing. So they pay for models, ads, and content creators to review their products. And unless you really love a brand and you're familiar with them and they're credible, I wouldn't give a brand my money to promote their product for free. Also, a lot of these small brands with ambassador programs say that you'll earn commission for like every purchase through your link or whatever. But when you don't know anything about this small brand, you don't know how credible they are or if you'll ever see that money. So if they're asking you to pay for their product upfront, I would reconsider. So I hope that this video is helpful. Definitely check out the brand collaboration forum on SocialBook if you're interested in finding brands to work with and don't really know where to start. If you would like to try out SocialBook's free tools and resources, you can sign up through my link. I will leave it right here and in the description box down below. I hope that this video gave you a little insight on what to look out for so you don't get scammed by brands in the future or get the short end of the stick, because brands will take advantage of that. If you are seasoned content creators and you want to know more about how to negotiate with brands and how much to charge, I will be covering that in my next video, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!